Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. This is the latest Strike Your Own from the Royal Mint experience. I have to thank Bo Selector, who very kindly got me this coin. The guy does such a lot for me in the sense of getting the Strike Your Owns, and I'm very, very grateful to him. Overall, whoops, wrong way. Let's go out a little bit. This is a full-length version that you can see of it. You have Royal Mint experience. I started this on the UK tour, and then at the bottom you have a picture of Dumbledore and Harry Potter next to an infant of a, either is it a table maybe. On the back you have the specifications of the coin, and if we go in at this point and I bring the coin down, we have there the effigy of His Majesty King Charles III. This is the first of the Strike Your Owns, apart from the memorial coin that has Charles's head on it. It's a wonderful coin. As I say, we have the specifications down the bottom here. Not really what I'm interested in. If I opened up the card at the top, we have congratulations on striking your own UK coin, and then we have a quote from J.K. Rowling. This UK 50p coins and celebrates 25 magical years since the Bloomsbury children's book published Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone by J.K. Rowling. So we have here the third of the coins that Strike Your Owns. We've already had Harry Potter and we've already had the Hogwarts Express. This is the third of 4 coins that we believe are going to be Strike Your Owns. There are 4 coins in this set. I'm hoping there'll be a second and third set. We don't know as yet, we've not heard anything. But you have the 25-year hologram logo along with the lightning just here in this area here where the needle's pointing. Across the top we have Albus Dumbledore, and then we have the desk at which he's sitting, and down here we do have things like coins and such like. This is, I think the colour version is my favourite of the colour version so far of this set, and I'm absolutely delighted that Bo got me this particular coin. I'm a completionist, so I would want it anyway, but this coin is, in my view, the coloured coin is probably the best one so far, and might well be the best one of the series. And I'm enjoying having it in my collection. It will go into my book, which at the moment is underneath 2 or 3 other. It's in a plastic box underneath 2 or 3 other items at the moment, so I haven't got it out. So this will go into my collection. I am very happy to have it. I look forward no end to completing the 4 set series, which will be later on this year, when we get, I believe the 4th one is the Hogwarts School. As I say, there is plenty of room for expansions to a 2nd and 3rd series of the coins, including other main characters such as Hermione and Ron, who've not so far been in this set. You've also got other teachers, and you've got the mythical creatures that they fight. You have the mythical creatures that they have as their own pets or their own contact. In the case of Hedwig, which is Harry's owl, from what I understand. There is also the villains, the villains as in the male and female villains. That could be also another set, so there's plenty of room for expanding the series. Whether they're going to do, say, 7 series, 1 for each book, I very much doubt, but it is, of course, is an outside possibility. What do you think of the idea of having a second or third set of Harry Potter coins? Would you be for it? Tell me down in the comments below. That's my review for this coin finished. I have done the coloured review and the Cooper Nickel review, and now this review. So there's 3 separate reviews on the Dumbledore coin. And it's a bit difficult to find new things to say about it. Therefore, I leave you to where it is and state that if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. The final part would be, I am trying to improve my numbers this year as far as subscriptions go. I reached 100 sometime just before Christmas last year. It's now March the 11th, I think it is. It's today's date where I'm doing this video. And I'm up to 150. I would very much like to reach 200 to 250 subscribers by the end of the year. I had a look at the statistics, and around about 55–60% of you who are watching the videos at the moment are not subscribed. So if I could get a few of you to come across and join my ongoing adventure in coins, banknotes, military and collectibles, I would be absolutely delighted. Subscribe to the channel only if you believe I deserve it, and if you do, I would be grateful for your subscription. So until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching to the end, and bye bye, and ta-da, see you later.